Hi everyone, this is Private Santa from the 2nd Battalion of Yoshi Regiment, currently deployed in Afghanistan. I would like just to show you what every soldier today on Christmas Day received. This is like a Christmas box from the Ministry of Defense. It's really good, looks really great. Looks like an ammo tin really. So let's just open it and see what's inside. Let's just cut the seal first. Oh, so first is a Santa hat, Operation Christmas box. Let's have a look. Looks great. This is issued Headrest now, so I'm just going to wear it for now. So the next bit, microfiber towel. It's great. Could use it in gym, shower. This is an armband, phone armband. Could be useful in gym again. It's really good. Happy with that. A water pistol. Right. Yeah. This is just probably for bunkers. It's great. What else we got in here? A permanent marker. So the zap number into my hat and probably zap number on a pistol. A little holder. A leather notebook. I'm gonna have a look. Oh, actually, picture holder. Really good, really useful in operation. So you can put some pictures in it from family. Yeah, the Army is really big on brew. Coffee brewer. Brilliant. I love it. I'm going to try this. What else? There's a little box in here. Let's see what's in the box. Oh yeah, head torch. That could be useful. Obviously, when you go in on like in the night ops and so on and so forth. Mug. Operation Christmas box. Some jelly beans. Great. Again, Christmas lights. Decoration. Love it. A little star, a little ornament for Christmas tree or whenever. It's getting interesting now. A little motor tool. That is very useful. This is I think it's a bookmarker. So you can, when you read a book, you can always mark it. It's like a clip. A little padlock. Padlocks are always useful whenever you travel or for your locker. That's a good one. What else? Oh yeah, okay, a little key holder or like an ID holder. It's really good. People tend to lose their key or their ID, so this is just to secure it. Right. Oh, I'm not sure what is this. Let's have a closer look. Okay, so it's probably like a holder, So you could probably hold your mobile phone or anything like that so you can watch a movie. Pack of playing card, good, and a few Christmas cards. Going to do, and again a little bit of leaflet. This is like, it's very similar than in the Russian pack. It's a feedback card, some stickers. It's good. Yeah, that's about it. And then obviously the box is useful itself. You could store things in it, which is, then you can use the padlock as well. So this could be a little, like, a locker thing. I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.